Good day, viewers. If you're watching me right now, then it means you're watching CityHitz TV. And here we have for you today, we have the news about MC Oluomo, the MURTW chairman in Lagos. If you are watching us for the first time, what I want you to do right now is you subscribe to this link so that whenever we have any latest news, you can be one of the first people to see the update online, the news in full. Following the suspension of the Lagos State chairman of the National Union of Road Transport Workers, Musiliu Akinsoya, aka MC Oluomo, the State Commissioner of Police, Abiodun Alabi, has deployed policemen in various parts of the state, including motor parks, to forestall a possible breakdown of law and order, as they suspect these different parties in the National Union of Road Transport Workers could have a clash in the community. The National Body of Transport Union, in a statement on Thursday, suspended Akinsoya for insubordination and gross misconduct. The statement read in part, "Your suspension is sequel to sustained act of insubordination and gross misconduct, coupled with clandestine plans to instigate crises and unleash mayhem on any branch or branches of the union in Lagos that refuse to obey your order or instructions not to accept directives from the national headquarters of the union. Your orchestrated plan to attack branches that may disobey your orders aforesaid will ultimately endanger public peace and order in Lagos. It is also very likely to threaten and affect the lives and property of the peace-loving people of Lagos State, particularly those doing their legitimate business within the motor parks. Hence, the urgent need to take drastic action, which has brought the suspension of MC Oluomo. As you all know, my brothers, there was a clash on the Lagos Island where you see a lot of people, a lot of this NURTW guys, they were fighting with gunshots and all that. It's all about leadership. And this thing is actually about MC Oluomo. And, a lot of people would hear them saying Kunle Pole then. So, but now the government has done something very, very good and something nice, which is they have suspended MC Oluomo. So it's not in any way having any right over the National Union of Transport Workers for the meantime. And this is a very good thing because it's going to suppress the evil act when these different parties within this same union start to attack each other within the community. And also, in the view of his suspension, they felt he was asked to submit the mantle of leadership of the Lagos State Council to the state deputy chairman and also surrender all union property in his possession to the state secretary of the union. So I think the government has taken a very good move on this, and this is going to actually ensure some businesses are running smoothly. And I want to say thank you to the government for this because it's actually helping the society, whichever way people say. I say thank you. Hello, I hope you guys enjoyed the news. If you enjoyed the news, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that whenever we have any new videos, you're one of the first people to get it on your device. We say thank you. Subscribe.